Welcome back to Product Critique, the place where you find honest insights on everyday essentials. In today's video, we're reviewing what is undoubtedly the best Dirt Devil belt style 15 on the market right now. The OEM authorized Dirt Devil Royal Vacuum Belt Style 15 in a convenient 2-pack. Let's kick it off by talking about what this belt actually does. If you've got a Dirt Devil vacuum cleaner, specifically one from the Royal series, the belt is the unsung hero that powers the brush roll. Without it, your vacuum might still hum and glow, but it won't pick up anything beyond surface-level dust. It's like having a treadmill that doesn't spin, all noise, no action. Now the problem with many generic belts is this: they don't last. They snap too soon, they stretch, or worse, they never fit correctly to begin with. But the Dirt Devil Royal Belt Style 15 is OEM authorized. That means it's approved by the original manufacturer, designed to meet factory specifications, and guaranteed to fit and function the way your vacuum needs it to. This is a pack of 2, and each one is built from durable plastic materials designed to handle the heat and friction of daily vacuuming. Once installed, they grip perfectly and keep that brush roller rotating with smooth, even power. That ensures you're picking up dirt from your carpets, not just gliding over it. One of the major highlights here is the installation. You don't need to be a technician or spend 20 minutes looking up tutorials online. These belts are made for quick and hassle-free replacement. All you have to do is pop off the bottom panel of your vacuum, remove the old belt, loop the new one over the motor shaft and roller, and close it back up. Done in under 5 minutes. Let's talk about compatibility. This belt style is designed specifically for Dirt Devil Dynamite vacuums and other Royal models that use Style 15 belts. It's not a universal fit, and that's actually a good thing, because with vacuum belts, precision matters. If the belt is too loose, it slips. Too tight, and it can burn out the motor. This one hits the sweet spot because it's engineered for the models it's meant for. Another thing to appreciate is reliability. It's clear that Dirt Devil didn't cut corners here. The tension holds up over time. You won't find yourself replacing these every few weeks like with cheap knockoffs. Most users will only need to replace them once every few months, depending on how often you vacuum and the type of surfaces you clean. Shipping-wise, even if you're not in the US, you can still get your hands on this product. It's available on Amazon, and even ships to India with a clear breakdown of shipping and import charges. So whether you're looking to stock up or just need a quick fix for a busted belt, this 2-pack is a solid choice. The cost is also reasonable. For just under $11, you're getting 2 belts that will keep your vacuum going strong. That's a small investment for an essential maintenance item, especially when you think about the cost of replacing the entire vacuum just because a belt snapped and you didn't catch it in time. To wrap it up, the Dirt Devil Royal Vacuum Belt Style 15 is the real deal. It's reliable, easy to install, precisely designed for the right models, and backed by OEM authorization. For anyone owning a Dirt Devil Dynamite or compatible Royal vacuum, this is the upgrade, or replacement. You need to keep your home clean without a hitch. If you're ready to grab yours, check the link in the description below. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another review. Thanks for watching Product Critique. See you in the next one.